I'm a week back from the UK. I did an LLM in human rights law, and before I studied law in Belgium for 5 years, including a master's as well, and I studied for 6 months in Strasbourg for my Erasmus, so it's weird to be back. I'm a lawyer, so of course, this is really important for me. I'm a human rights lawyer. I just studied human rights law in the UK. So for me, human rights, my previous dissertation was about the European Court of Human Rights, so I'm kind of like a European Court of Human Rights addict. First, well, I speak 4 languages, so I think that's already an asset. I know human rights law very, very well. I did my master's before. I did everything I could in human rights law. I did a lot of internships in all kinds of governments, NGOs, everything. I'm very internationally minded. So I guess all that combination, and it just came from a very intensive human rights program. I'll be happy if I get to know the real practice at the European Court of Human Rights, because it's something to read the judgments, it's something else to work there and see the applications, read through them, decide on whether they can go through or not. So I guess just see how it really goes, see if it really, I'm still actually interested after those 5 months in the European Court of Human Rights. I have no problem whatsoever with that. My mom always says when I'm home, she's like, "Oh, when are you gone again?" So I just like to get new experiences, get new cultures, new languages. That's the things that keep me going. I can't be sitting still. If I sit still for 3 days, I'll get crazy. So I love it. I really love it. It depends from where you come from, I guess, but it's a lovely town. It's very beautiful. Well, if you like going out and stuff, it doesn't have everything to offer that London would have or something. But well, it's amazing. It has all this kind of it has different sides. Everywhere you go, it's kind of different. And well, I just like it. It's very international as well. So yeah, I think it's a great town. First, I'll start to do a course in Spanish here. I hope I will be able to speak some Spanish. I'll be able to get a good view on what the court does. I hope that I, in some way, will have been able to have my own input in what the court does. I hope so. I hope it will make me see what I want to do with my future. Do I want to work at an international organization? Well, or will I really not like it after 5 months? Every experience tells you something about who you are as a person, and this is the same thing. And for 5 months, it's my first long-term internship. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. We have this whole week of presentations. You get here, you know exactly where you have to be, when you have to be where. It's all very planned out. You get to meet everybody. Every department of the Council of Europe speaks for about 45 minutes for the whole week, so you have time to settle down in Strasbourg. You don't immediately have to start your job. Everything's it's good that we have this week to meet each other, to know what's the council about, to get everything sorted. So it was really professional again. I've never experienced this. So I'm happy so far, yeah. I'm very happy.